Hi everyone. Welcome back to Assignment on Click. Today, let's talk about Python, one of the most popular and powerful programming languages in the world. So, what is Python? Python is a high-level, easy-to-read programming language used by beginners and professionals alike. Its clean syntax and simple structure make it a perfect first language. But don't let that fool you. Python is also used to build complex systems at top tech companies. Why should you learn Python? It's incredibly beginner-friendly. Ideal for data science and machine learning. Great for web development using Django and Flask. Perfect for game development, automation, and scripting. Used in scientific research. Powers AI and deep learning. Useful for app and software prototyping. Python is everywhere. Companies like Google, Netflix, NASA, and Facebook rely on it. It's used in fields like AI, cybersecurity, data science, and automation. And it's the #1 language taught in universities around the globe. So, whether you are just starting out or building the next big thing, Python is your gateway into the tech world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.